The higher Pasaro Bulldoze destroying the goalposts. Engrave it in your heart and pacify you from the start. Like Judas when you die, like Jesus when you cry. After that, victory is splatter, distortion of imitation. What's the meaning of that? The definition of perfection. Protection from the brothers of your brother fire. You have no wings, but you are flying higher. What's happening, my friend? You're suffering, my friend. Your brain is out of control. How can I save yourself from the cruel curse? Negative reverse, negative reverse. I cry tonight until the light of the sun shining bright. I cry tonight until the light of the sun shining bright. Until I die, until I fly. Once upon a time, there's thought I'd rather smoke than better gun. It took a banner from one night and toppled off the in-flight. Last night, I saw a teardrop. It looked like a grenade. I picked it up and threw it. No explosion, no explosion was made. I hate myself, I'm so weirdo. My brain is now in conflicto. One man can build their own essence. I hate myself, I'm so weirdo. I hate myself, I hate myself. I hate myself, I hate myself. A worm can turn heaven, you heard. When you think about it, it seems absurd. If reincarnation really is true, not lies made by a deceiver, then why does nobody ever remember a life where they were an amoeba? If reincarnation really is true, not lies made by a deceiver.